Hi guys, when you look at the current generation of high-end gaming PCs, there's a clear shift happening. They're not just about raw speed anymore. They're becoming more advanced, more optimized, and in some cases, almost excessive in performance headroom. And the MSI Infinite RS AI 2 NVZ9-1290 US sits right in that space. The first thing that stands out isn't even performance specs. It's the physical presence. This is a full tower desktop that immediately takes over any setup it's placed in. It's not subtle, and it's not trying to be. It's designed to signal one thing clearly: maximum performance. Inside, this system is built for serious workloads and high-end gaming without compromise. It targets 4K gaming, ultra-graphic settings, ray tracing, high FPS competitive gaming, as well as demanding creative work like video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming. The focus here is straightforward: having more performance than you realistically need, just so you never run out. Once you actually start using it, everything feels extremely fast and responsive. Boot times are minimal, apps launch instantly, and games load with almost no delay. It delivers that instant reaction feel that only top-tier hardware can really provide. There's no waiting, just immediate execution. In gaming scenarios, this PC is clearly built for high-end performance. Modern AAA titles run smoothly at high and ultra settings, even with ray tracing enabled. Frame rates stay consistent, and gameplay feels fluid and stable, especially when paired with high refresh rate displays. Competitive titles also benefit heavily from the responsiveness and stability of the system. Thermals and noise management are also a key part of the experience. Despite the powerful hardware inside, the system is tuned to maintain balanced cooling under load. Instead of constant loud fan spikes, it aims for smoother thermal control that supports long gaming or work sessions without distraction. Then there's the AI-driven optimization layer. The system dynamically adjusts performance depending on what you're doing. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or rendering, it manages resources in the background to maintain smooth performance. You don't really have to think about tuning settings anymore. The system handles it automatically. From a design standpoint, it stays in the gaming category but in a more refined way. There is RGB lighting, but it's controlled rather than overwhelming. It feels more like a performance workstation that also happens to be built for gaming at the highest level. On the connectivity side, it's fully equipped for modern needs. High-speed ports, fast storage support, and strong upgrade potential make it a system built for longevity. That future-proofing matters, especially at this level where users expect a system to last several years without feeling outdated. Realistically, this is not a casual gaming PC. It's aimed at users who already know they need this level of power. That includes 4K gamers, streamers running multiple workflows, and creators dealing with heavy production tasks. At the same time, what once felt like overkill is slowly becoming more practical. Games are more demanding, creative workloads are heavier, and AI tools are becoming part of everyday workflows. So systems like this are no longer just luxury builds, they're starting to make sense for more people over time. In the end, the MSI Infinite RS AI doesn't try to reinvent the gaming PC. It just pushes performance further. More headroom, more stability, and more intelligence packed into one system. And for the people who actually use that power, it becomes a machine that simply gets out of the way and lets them work or play without limits.